Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on and off your silent mode in your Xiaomi phone setting guys. In your phone setting guys, you want to on and off your silent mode, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on and guys how can you off guys both setting guys. I will show you guys in this video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your silent mode setting. Then guys scroll it. As you can see your sound and vibration, tap here and guys scroll. Then guys you can see your silent mode, so as you can on from here. So a silent mode will on guys, you can see silence, call and notification. So as you can see this icon guys means silent mode is on guys, you want to off, so as you can off silent mode is off. So you can on and off your silent mode in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off silent mode in your Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.